Hello, and this time I'm going to be teaching you guys how to put a wireless charger in your car. So we have our three typical chargers that we use on a daily basis. We have a Android charger, a Type C charger, and a iPhone charger. And this is gonna help you guys a lot for a lot of headaches. These would be like a lot of huge problems. If you're a type of person that hates having a lot of wires in your car, this is cool for you. And if you have a friend that always forgets their chargers to charge their cell phones, this is where you could step in and show off this mod you could do to your car. I'm going to teach you guys. So we have a wireless charger right here and a cell phone. And how this works is, well, how do wireless chargers work?
Here's a summary from Wikipedia. Inductive charging, also known as wireless charging or cordless charging, uses an electromagnetic field to transfer energy between two objects through electromagnetic induction. Energy is sent through an inductive coupling to an electrical device, which can then use that energy to charge batteries or run the device.
Well, yeah, that's how it works. Well, anyways, let's dumb it down. It uses coils right here, and what we're going to be doing is taking off the body from this shell. And we're going to get the coils and put them in right here. These little coils. We're going to put the coils on the other side of this. And yeah, pretty much that's it. This will help you guys a lot if you have a lot of wires in your car and you hate it, or let's say you forget one wire and your friend has an iPhone and you have a Type C and you're like, oh fuck, or it's an older Android charger and you only have a Type C. Well, you get the point, and this is gonna help a lot. So we could just throw our cell phone right here and it should just, like, work, charge right there. So yeah, the car I'm in currently is a 1991 Accord from Honda, and there's 4 bolts. There's gonna be 4 bolts. One right here, which is right there. There's gonna be another one in here, and same goes right here and right here. And it looks way cooler than having this right here. My the old previous owner, he burnt his cigarette lighter, and I replaced it from my old Honda. I parted out, and oh yeah, and plus he broke my cup holders, so I did this little job to it. Well, anyways, we're gonna get these bolts out, and then it should take off this. This should come off. Oh yeah, and there's gonna be an issue. If when you're gonna take this out, you have to put this in neutral. So once you take those 4 screws, you just simply take this off. So what we're trying to do is get the coils here. I'm gonna get a sanding paper and gonna try to sand this down so these letters cannot be in the way. But I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be a big deal. Oh, wrong section. It's right here. It's gonna be right here. This is like the topper part up here. So yeah, we're gonna install the coils right here. And what I'm gonna be doing is how I'm gonna be doing this is by getting I'm gonna still keep this the well, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do in the end of the video. But to get roughly the idea, we're gonna be getting the typical Android charger that we have right here. It's the older Android charger. Well, anyways, we're gonna be splicing the wires from here, and we're gonna be connecting it through here in our cigarette burner, negative to positive, or fire to negative. Pretty sure it's this one right here. This is positive, and then there's positive right here. And this is negative and negative. Black is always going to be negative, and pretty sure these two are positive. Yeah, they're positive. Well, yeah, that's how we're going to be doing it. And be very careful where you because when I was taking off the bolts, my bolt screw, it fell in there. And luckily I have a lot of bolts saved from my old car I have over there, which is like, I don't know. So to take off this part, you're gonna take off the screw right here. There's another one right there, and then if you flip it, there's one hidden. Pretty sure it's not hidden. This is probably like random. It's right here, right there, right there, right there. Take this part off, and we're gonna be using this part. So yeah, let me take this off right now. And once you take it off, it should come off that easily. So yeah, this is gonna be the part we're gonna be using. So let's go. While we do the next step, I'm gonna be letting this sit in a new fresher paint. We'll come in a bit and do it again. So right now what we're going to be doing is opening up our wireless charger. So once you guys take off the bolts, it'll be easy to come off. These are the coils I was telling you about. They're made of copper, I believe so. And what we're going to be doing is taking off this section. And this is the board, the circuit board. This is a typical Android charger right here. This right here. And what we're going to be doing is same old, we're going to connect this to here, but we're going to splice this section right here, and using our cigarette burner we're going to put it with this one, and we're going to be splicing this 14 gauge wire, cutting it off, and we're going to cut this one off too as well. Once you're finished doing that, I already spliced these, and then there's these wires right here. So the more information I got from these wires is green is positive data and white is negative data. Black is obviously negative and red is positive, like your battery terminals. What I was thinking is connecting the white negative into the black negative for this little light, and the green positive to the red positive here in this light. So when you're charging your cell phone, this light will turn on. What I'm going to attempt is use my solder skills and solder the negative and positive cable to the negative and positive cable to the cigarette burner, and then I'm gonna do it so on. So with the light, which is this one right here. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best with my welding skills. If I mess up, well, that sucks. When you solder, you have to have very steady hands, and to do a really good job on soldering, you have to do it like this. This is like NASA type of shit. Like, you get 2 wires and you put another wire with another wire on top. Let me just show it to you like this. You get another wire from here and then another wire, and you put it on top like that, and then you lay the soldering, and it should have a really good bond like this where it will never come off. It won't never come off, which is like right here. This is a perfect example of a good solder. So yeah, drop that beat good. So I'm done with the positive and negative for the wireless charger. Now I'm next to the data cables. So when you turn on when you place your phone on the wireless charger, it should turn on this light bulb. And make sure you take off the light bulb before you solder. You don't want to have a short out and see your light bulb blowing up in front of your face. Yeah, this one didn't came out that well, but it still does the job. So this is how it came out. This is going to be negative data, and this is positive data, and this will connect to our light. So when you charge our cell phone, the light will turn on, which is pretty cool. And negatives with negative, and positives with white and blue, which is positive for the cord or wiring diagram. So right now what we're going to be doing is we're going to go test this out and see if it works. If it doesn't work, then I guess this video is not going to be an episode. I probably won't ever upload. Hopefully it works. So at first it didn't work. I was really sad, depressed. I was like, oh damn, this is not going to become a video. And clearly the tone of my voice, it changed. I forgot the most stupidest thing ever. I forgot put the charger, the cigarette burner, which is an app. Don't know how that works, but it's finally connected. And I kind of messed up. I think I really messed up on the charger burner thingy. I hooked it up with the data by accident, but I really don't care. It works. You just put your cell phone. Damn, I think my car's dead. Yeah, my car's dead. This is how the paint job came out. It looks more glossy, more cleaner. And what we're gonna be doing now, since my car is dead, I'm charging it right now. We're gonna be putting these coils behind this. Somehow we're gonna attach these coils right here. I'll figure out how it's gonna go. So this is how I attach the wireless charger. This is not very secure. I was wishing to put it like that, and this was outside the plate, and attach it to the body, but the adhesive for the circuit board was too hard, and I believe this is the best way to do it. I'll just make it more secure, more comfortable for it, so it cannot come off while I'm driving. There you go, it works. I'm just gonna reassemble it back together. If it doesn't work for you, you could just always connect your USB to your charger in your cigarette burner, and it should just do the job like that. You guys don't have to do all that soldering within the cables to your wires, diagrams, and mess everything up. Thank you guys for watching. Please give me a like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. And my first 100 subscribers, I'll be giving out a giveaway, something small, not too big. So yeah, please subscribe to me.
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, muy bien rapping kilo.